Hair fall treatment tips. Top 10 Silky Home Remedies to control hair fall naturally, reduce effective hair loss with Videos Factory. Hey guys, welcome to Videos Factory. All you know in our YouTube channel Videos Factory. We always present every day with a new informative, healthful and amazing videos and try to show you social media viral videos. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel Videos Factory yet, do not be late. Go to our YouTube channel Videos Factory and click the red color subscribe button and do not forget to click the button on the bell, so that you can get our latest videos. Thanks. So friends, today we are going to tell you about hair fall perfect solution. Hair fall is one of the major reasons for worry among many people these days. The reasons that cause hair fall include lack of proper diet, sudden weight loss, pregnancy, childbirth, depression, stress, scalp infections, genetic factors, excessive smoking, iron deficiency, PCOS and hormonal imbalance amongst others. Several severe illnesses also cause hair to fall out. It is important to take timely action to control your hair from falling out, or one may be too late to rejuvenate scalp health. So now the question is how to stop hair fall immediately? So, here are some of the easy to use home remedies to control hair fall and to boost hair growth. These remedies are natural and are highly effective to control hair fall. Let's take a look at how to stop hair fall. Follow these home remedies to control hair loss naturally. If you want naturally hair regrowth, then try this homemade tips for long hair and healthy hair. Number 1. Milky coconut. This ingredient has several benefits for your hair. Not only does it promote hair growth, but also conditions it. It has essential fats, minerals and proteins which reduce hair breakage and is also rich in potassium and iron. You can use coconut oil or milk to prevent hair fall. The method of use. Warm a bit of coconut oil and massage it from your hair root to tip. Wash after 1 hour. Or, grate a coconut and squeeze out its milk by mixing in a little water. Apply it on the area where you notice thinning or balding. Let it stay overnight and wash off the next morning. Number 2. Onion juice. Onion is a rich source of sulfur which helps in hair growth by increasing collagen production. Using its juice on the scalp can help in controlling hair fall. Did you know these onion health benefits? The method of use. Chop one onion finely and squeeze out its juice. Apply the juice on your scalp and let it stay for 15 minutes. Now rinse with a mild shampoo and let your hair dry. Use this twice a week to see results. Number 3. Garlic paste. Like onion, garlic too has high sulfur content. This is the reason why it is used in traditional hair regrowth medicines. You'd be surprised to know these beauty benefits of garlic. The method of use. Crush a few cloves of garlic. Add coconut oil to it and boil the mixture for a few minutes. Let it cool down a bit and then massage it on your scalp. You can leave it on for 30 minutes and then wash your hair. Do this 2 times in a week. Number 4. Henna. It is mostly used as a national hair color or conditioner, but henna has properties that can strengthen your hair from the root. If you combine it with other ingredients, it makes for a better hair pack. The method of use. Take 250 milliliters of mustard oil in a tin can and add 60 grams of washed and dried henna leaves. Now boil the mixture, the leaves burn, and then filter the oil. Massage your scalp with it on a regular basis and store the rest in an airtight bottle. You can make another henna pack by mixing dry henna powder with curd. Apply it on scalp and hair and wash off after 1 hour. If you desire beautiful hair, try these other homemade henna hair packs. Number 5. Egg hair mask. For the last of our tips to control hair fall, we can't help but mention the ubiquitous egg. A fantastic source of protein and vitamin A, E and D. Eggs make an excellent hair pack. A combination of regular hair care and weekly egg hair masks will not only prevent your hair from coming off in clumps but will also leave each strand healthy and resistant to breakage. Lecithin is a protein found in egg yolk that helps clamp down on frizz, giving you a smoother, shinier mane. The method of use. Mix 2 eggs, a teaspoon of honey and a little olive oil in a bowl and beat vigorously until the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. Using your fingers, apply this evenly across your entire scalp and leave in for about 20-30 minutes. Once the pack has dried, simply wash it off with lukewarm water and a little shampoo. It's important to let your hair dry naturally after washing for the best results. Number 6. Brushing equals balding. No, brushing does not make you bald. I mean, unless you are yanking the hair right out of your skull with a brush, this isn't a thing. However, brushing your hair when it is wet is a big no-no as this causes breakage. Number 7. Coloring and hair treatments will lead to hair loss. What's the point of having hair if you can't have fun with it? As long as you go about it the right way and avoid over-processing, you're good. However, there are certain hair treatments that list hair fall as a possible side effect, so it is always a good idea to do your research before you opt for an extreme treatment. Number 8. Green tea. Green tea revitalizes hair follicles and stimulates hair production. It also enhances your metabolism, which ultimately leads to increased rate of hair growth. Just condition your hair with green tea solution and notice the change. Number 9. Indian gooseberry, amla. What's better to treat hair-related issues than amla? One of the major reasons for hair loss is the deficiency of vitamin C, and amla being a rich source of it, there's no better way to replenish it back in our system. It is rich in antioxidants and antibacterial properties that prevent dandruff and scalp inflammation. Amla, thus keeps the scalp clean and provides the required nutrition to the hair roots, making them stronger and shinier. Number 10. Neem leaves. Neem, known for its medicinal properties, is an effective herb to treat hair loss. Boil and grind neem leaves to a paste and apply it on your scalp after shampooing your hair. Wash it off after 30 minutes. Repeat the process twice a week and notice the change. Thanks for watching the video.